Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 216. If we start with this box here, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. Don't see any help here. 2, 6, 7. We've got a 7 here. So 2, 6, and the 7 here. So 2, 6. So that means the only place our 7 can be is here. If we look at this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 3 here and a 9 here. So this is our 2. That 9 makes this our 3 and 9. For this column, we're missing 2 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. If we look at this row, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 1 and 9 here, so this is our 6. Got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. And now for this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 1 and 5 here, so this is our 2. A 1 here, so 5, 1. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. Got the 5 here, so 2, 9. Up in the 9 covering these two boxes, and a 5 here. Makes this our 2, 5, 9. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. But the 6 is covering these two boxes now, so that makes this our 6 and 2. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this box now, we're missing a 6. And for this box, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this column now, we're missing a 1 and a 6. And I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 3 and 4. And I don't see any help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this box, we're missing 2 and 4. But we've got a 4 here. So 2, 4. That 2 makes this our 9, 2. That 4 makes this our 3, 4. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got the 2 here, so 6, 2. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. And to finish out this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 there, so 1 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.